Hi, this is Alex from Groovy Entertainment. Today we got another book to read for you. Today's book is the Fire Engine book for 1950, so let's get started. Ding, ding, ding goes the alarm. The firemen fly down the pole. Clink, clink, clink goes the fire engine bell. The chief is on his way. Here they come. Watch out. Make way for the hose car. Hurry, hurry. Jump on the hook and ladder truck. The people come running out to see the great big hook and ladder truck. Here they are at the fire. The chief tells his men what to do. Quick, connect the hoses. Shh goes the water. Clink, 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 clink. Up goes the ladder. Up go the firemen with their hoses. Chop, chop, chop goes the axes. Crash goes the windows. Down the ladder come the firemen. They jump into the net to save things from the fire. Spurt, spurt, spurt. Out goes the fire. Tired firemen and people go home. Hooray for the brave firemen. So that was the Fire Engine book from 1950. So if you like, subscribe, share, and comment, and have a groovy day. We have another video coming out real soon.